is feeding baby with the same thing, oatmeal. Wow. Eat ka na. Tingnan niya yung sarili niya. You like it? Okay. Yung vlog ko, magmula kagabi, ilang beses ko nang paulit-ulit i-upload. Nag-i-stuck siya sa 95%. Tapos, unable to process daw. Not support. Labo. Wala naman ako yung ginawang iba. Let me see what's wrong. So, 9:30 and we're gonna have breakfast. Fried egg. Sunny side egg. Breakfast time. Look at that. Sunny side of eggs. Then, sabaw ng nilaga. Kasi mamaya na yung lunch namin. And rice. And yeah, we're eating on the bed. Wow. Yum, yum. Ayan yung error message ko. Ayaw ma-upload yung video ko. Supported file type naman yun, .mov. And yun naman yung ginagawa ko ever since. Wala naman ako iniba. Bakit ayaw niya ma-upload? Oh my gulay. I've been trying this since this, madaling araw pa. Trip. Movie time. We're gonna watch Amazing Spider-Man. Finally. Ilan ba tayo ito? 2. Amazing Spider-Man 2. Hi. We're all here in bed. Bakit tayo pa matulog? It's 11:10 pa lang. Very early. Sarap. Ang sarap. Ay, Daddy. Wala kang naalala ngayon? Wala kang naalala ngayon?
Birthday Singapore.
Happy birthday, Singapore. Tapos? Anniversary namin ng pagka-boyfriend-girlfriend. Di niya na naalala yata. Ilang years na tayo?
2005.
Oh, ilang years yan?
9.
See, we're 9 years together na. 9 years boyfriend-girlfriend. Turning 2 years married. With a 6-month-old baby boy. Sige na, mag-watch na kami. Anong gift mo sa akin pala? You're on camera.
Si baby.
Anong gift mo kay mommy? Okay. Hi. Nag-transform na naman ako sa pagiging yaya. Yan na, mukha ng mommy. Wala lang. Feel ko lang mag-makeup. Bakit? Masama ba? Hindi kasi, di ba? Umalis si Daddy. Bumalik siya dun sa pinagbilhan namin nung nitong Jumperoo. Kasi may naiwang isang toy. Wait. Dito, oh. May missing na isang toy for this lot. Naiwan doon sa bahay nila. So, binalikan ni Daddy, pero nag-bike lang siya. Kaya hindi pa namin natapos yung movie eh. Yung Spider-Man. Tapos ako, nagka-accident din with my mens, if you know what I mean. So, I had to take a bath na. And si baby, kakagising lang. Hey! Hi! Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch kasi nung umalis si Daddy, busog pa kayo pareho kasi nga nagkanin kami ng breakfast. Pero ngayon, medyo nagugutom na ako. Kainin naman lang namin yung nilaga eh. Yung nantira pang nilaga. Hopefully, pang mamayang gabi, mag-celebrate kahit pa paano ng aming 9 years together. So, sana kumain kami dyan sa, kahit dito lang naman. Sorry nagtitig ako yung sarili ko. Minsan lang naman eh. Maingay. Ano ba yun? Ayun, at hindi lang pala ako nakaka-experience ng problem sa YouTube. Kala ko naman may problema na sa internet ko or something. Sila Anden, sila Yims, hindi rin sila makapag-upload. may problema. So, yes, at least I'm not alone. Yun lang, delete. Kanina pa, ilang beses na, nag-give up na nga ako eh. Ilang beses na kasi ako nagtatry. Yun lang, sige na. Huwag nyo na tanungin ko anong palette ginamit ko dyan kasi alam nyo naman na it's Judy time. Ako, colored, mag-contact lens kaya ako. Colored eyeshadow ako. And nude lips. Ay, patitig lang siya sa akin, no? Mommy, are you crazy? Yan na, later. Okay, here we go again. 95% at 2:16 p.m. Tignan natin kung gaano katagal yan may stock dyan. Tulad kahapon. Since last night kong ginagawa. Kalimutan ko na pala balikan. 3:40 na. Ayan, oh. Wala. Hindi pa rin. Good luck naman. Baby na nga lang tingnan natin. Hi, baby! Just woke up from a nap. Tapos na namin yung movie. And we had lunch na rin. So, I'm gonna have dessert. Yan, yan. Tsaka Pepsi. Okay? Note ka lang, Handy Manny? Okay. Okay. I love you. Hello. Ngayon pa lang kami kakain ng dinner. It's 7:45. There you go, baby. Sakit ang ulo ko. Nakatulog ako with my makeup on. Hi. So yeah, we'll see you. Hi. We're gonna eat, yeah? We're gonna eat, okay. We're here at McDo. What's new? Dito kami mag-dinner. Sa tangulo ko, guys. I think it's from my period. Hindi nakakatuwa to. Ayan na ayoko pag meron na cupcakes kasi pagpa-close namin promo. Get 4 and buy 4 get 2 free for $12. Usually 1 dozen is half dozen is $17 in usual price. So the flavors that we're getting salted caramel, peanut butter chocolate, and red velvet, my favorite. There. You can see. Kunti na lang. Yay. Some dessert. So, red velvet. Ano to? Peanut butter chocolate and salted caramel. I'm gonna have red velvet, my favorite. What do you want, Daddy? Peanut butter?
No.
Oopsie. Zeb, look here. Zeb. Let's eat. This is yummy. Guys, ayaw pa rin ma-upload. Still stuck at 95%. Kanina ko pa yung tinatry. So, I don't know what happens next. Wala nga rin masyadong bagong video sa subscription ko dahil nga siguro yung iba na experience din. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight na sa ang ulo ko. That's why I don't like menstruation. Gusto ko pa yung makeup ko, para ayokong burahin. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.